friends, today we're going to draw Maisy Mouse. I have a book at home called Maisy Goes to the City. When I was little, it was one of my favorite books. Let's start with her ears. Mouse ears can move independently from each other. Now let's move on to her nose. A mouse nose is super special. A mouse can smell 5 times better than we can. They have lots of tiny sniffing parts in their noses that help them find yummy food and stay away from danger. Mice also use their noses to talk to each other. Now add a straight line for her neck. Let's draw her collar. You can draw any color style you like. Collars have been worn by humans for thousands of years, since ancient Egyptian and Roman times. Now let's continue drawing her dress. First, let's draw her left sleeve. Add a lace trim around the cuffs. Back in the 16th centuries, lace was crafted by hand. It was once considered very precious.
Lace making was once considered such a valuable skill that it was passed down from generation to generation, and in some cultures it was even used as a form of currency.
Let's add lace to her right cuff. Let's add her right claws. Here comes my favorite part, drawing her skirt. There are many different designs for skirts. Some look like an umbrella. Some are like a fishtail. Some are like flower buds. My favorite style is mermaid. Mom likes tulip. What is your favorite style? You can design your own dress for Maisy. Now, let's add her right leg. Despite their small size, mice have strong leg muscles. They're super fast and very agile.
Mice are quite agile and can run at speeds of up to 8 miles per hour, 13 kilometers per hour.
That's much faster than me. Let's complete her long tail. Mice tails are very useful. They help them balance and also regulate their body temperature, because mice are unable to sweat like humans. Finally, let's add a balloon to her hand. You can change the color or shape of the balloon. Now we're almost done drawing Maisy.
But there is one part I forgot to draw. Can you spot that?
But we can fix that later. Let's color it in. There you go. We forgot to draw her whiskers. Mice whiskers are very important tools. They help mouse feel things around it, like obstacles or even if it can fit through a tiny space.
In Indian mythology, there's a special mouse. It's the trusty companion of Ganesh, a wise and kind god who's known for helping people out. This mouse is like Ganesh's little buddy, always by his side on adventures and ready to lend a paw.
Hooray! We've done drawing our Maisy. We hope you liked this video. See you next time. Bye!